Hey guys, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. Today in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can delete Instagram account. So I'm gonna be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. If you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your Instagram app and then log in with your account. Once you do that, go to the profile on the bottom right corner, and now from here go to top right corner to this 3 lines option. Now from here go to account center. Once you are in account center, just scroll a bit down where you can find this personal details just below password and security. Now from here go to this account ownership and control, then go to deactivation or deletion. Now from here choose your Instagram account, and now just choose this deactivate account and press on continue. Once you do that, your account will be deleted in Instagram. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys, so thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.